Hello, friends. Today I would like to share an interesting fact from Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. In the Holy Granth, there's one very interesting thing, that is a point being made by one great master is reflected upon or expanded upon by another great master centuries later. For example, in one of the sloks of Kabir Ji included in Guru Granth Sahib, he says, "Marta marta jag mua, mar bhi na jane koe, ऐसी मरनी जो मरे, बहुर na marna hoye." And later on, Guru Amar Das Ji, centuries later, he expands it, and that is also included in Guru Granth Sahib. It is in the form like Salok Mahalla Tija, in which Guru Amar Das Ji says, "Kya jana kiv marenge, kaisa marna hoye, जे साहिब मनो ना विसरे ता सहला मरना होए, मरने ते जगत डरे, जीवियां लोड़े सब कोए, गुर प्रसादी जीवत मरे, हुक्म पछाणे सोए, नानक ऐसी मरनी जो मरे, सद ही जीवन होए." Which means, Kabir Ji is saying that we have taken birth so many times we die. Marta marta jagmua, mar bhi na jane koi. In spite of having faced so many births and deaths, we still haven't learned how to die. And he says, "Aisi marni jo mare, bahur na marna hoye." Can we die a kind of death that then there won't be any need for us to die again? Can there be such kind of a death? And Guru Amar Das Ji, centuries later, reflects by saying, "Kya jana kiv marenge?" We don't know how we will die. "Kya jana kab marenge, kaisa marna hoye." How will my death be? Whether I'll die of sickness, whether I'll die of an accident, I'll die of an old age. You don't know. Kya jana kib marenge, kaisa marna hoye. And then he says further, "Marne te jagat dare, jeeviyan lode sab koe." Everyone, whether we are there as human beings, or an elephant, or a small ant, or still a smaller insect, no one wants to die. If you try to threaten them, when we feel that we are threatened, we all want to live. We all are scared of death. Marne te jagat dare, jeeviyan lode sab koi. Everyone, every living being wants to survive, wants to live. Then he says, "Gur prasadi jivat mare, hukme buje soy." With the blessing of the Lord, if one learns to die while living, he understands the true command of God. Now, how is it possible to die while we are living? And that he meant to say that while living, if we can kill our lust, if we can kill our anger, if we can kill our greed, if we can kill our moh, attachment, if we can kill our pride, that is kam, krodh, lobh, moh, ahankar. If one learns with the help of the master, true master, the knack of winning over these vices, kam, krodh, lobh, moh, ahankar, then you can say, we have learned to die while living. Gur prasadi jivat mare, हुक्मे बूझे सोए, नानक ऐसी मरनी जो मरे, सधी जीवन होए. He says, Nanak says, in the form of Guru Amar Das Ji, that the one who has learned the knack of killing his vices has made his life a great success. ऐसी मरनी जो मरे, सधी जीवन होए. So Guru Amar Das Ji answers or expands the idea made by Kabir Ji, that मरता मरता जग मुआ, मर भी ना जाने कोई, ऐसी मरनी जो मरे, पोहर ना मरना होए. ऐसी मरनी जो मरे. तो कैसी मरनी is explained by Guru Amar Das Ji as I explained. Thank you so much.